Now you see the little solo pup. He's sitting there being quiet and just waiting on me. But let's walk around here and watch what these pups do. This solo pup, he's just waiting on me. Watch it. I've already been out here. Over 20 minutes. And they toned down a little bit, but this is something that people create and they may not know it. And my brother don't know what I know. But I'll fix this and I'll show you guys the results of when I fix it. Good puppies, good. Good puppies, good. They didn't, like I said, they didn't pull the little, I got some little light gauge fencing on the inside of that fence and they didn't chewed it up where they can pull their head through. But I'll fix that as well. Jumping all up on one another, thinking that's gonna get them out. But look at the little cedar pup, just waiting. So man, this is one of the advantages of getting a pup from me. Is the foundation that I put with them and the foundation that I send with them. And again, like I say, man, that all that yapping and barking, that becomes a nuisance. Your neighbors won't like you. This is what I want right here. This is what I want. And I don't want it to get like this after I've been out here 30 minutes. I want it to be like this when I show up. Good. I want it to be like this when I show up. Good puppies. And just because I say good and I come up, it doesn't mean I want it all to start again. So, man, guys, I tell y'all, man, I give a lot of valuable information. Look at this little pup right here trying to chew through the panel. Bad habits can be created and taught at this such a young age. And once it gets started, it's hard to fix. But I will fix this. I'm out.